you gorgeous people of the interwebs. I hope you're having a Fandabbydozy day after Valentine's Day. I am filming this on Valentine's Day and boy am I feeling the love. I am feeling the love because I have prezzies. I have prezzies that have come in from my wonderful, gorgeous, sweet, generous YouTube buddy, pal, love, Devin Christopher. Wow. Okay, so I've got these two packages and Devin sent me these because he is too delightful and too generous, and he's very naughty, and he has been told off. He has been very much told off. This is my Christmas present, and this arrived, I want to say about a week and a half ago. This was on back order. So what is going on with the light today? Let's pump up the jam, pump it up. That's a bit better. So yes, this was on back order, so we had to wait for this a little bit. He ordered it for me for Christmas and it came in about a week and a half ago. Distance from the States and back order and everything. And in here, I'm just going to show it to you because it's so cute. It's probably one of the cutest things I've ever seen. That box there says Poppy Angeloff, and I hadn't heard of Poppy Angeloff before. But there's the box, and look what's on the box. All of these pretty little kitty cats. You might have hit the nail on the head there, Devin. And inside the box, this is a glorious box on its own. It's glorious. You know I'm a sucker for packaging. And in it, does that give it away a little bit? It is this delightful teacup with this beautiful little floral bit on there, and Devin chose this teacup for me because this Persian cat here has different coloured eyes, and he is called on the website the Bowie cat, the Bowie Persian cat. He's just delightful. He's so cute. It's a proper, dare I say, posh teacup and saucer. So you will see me sipping my tea out of this beautiful little teacup and saucer. So thank you very much, Devin. You absolute gorgeous sort. You very naughty, also told off. Absolutely. Thank you for my lovely Christmas present. Absolutely gorgeous. Now this one, Yota, Autumn and Winnie, and I do believe Handbag Housewife, I think it was, did a collaboration on the Longchamp Extra Small Le Pliage, which is taking the Gaudy bunch by storm. We call ourselves the Gaudy because it's Gwenny, Autumn, Winnie, Devin and Yota. We're the Gaudy gang. And it's taken the Gaudy gang by storm. I'm feeling a bit left out. I might need to get one myself. And Devin really loved this sort of pink and red one. So the girls got together to buy him the pink one because he's saving his money so he can go travelling and come to London to go for afternoon tea with me and his nana. We're all going to go for afternoon tea together. So he's been saving his money for that. And he wanted this bag and he couldn't spend the money on it. So the girls ganged up, got together and bought it for him and sent it to him. Now, I wasn't involved in that, but he sent me a thank you anyway, because I'm part of the Gaudy gang. And all I've done is I've taken off my address here and just opened the box. So I haven't got as far as this. He's so naughty. We talk about love languages, and I think I'm not entirely sure what the definitions are, but I know that giving and generosity and gifting is a love language, and I think all of the Gordy gang are quite love languagey in the gifting. Maybe that's one of the reasons we're all on YouTube and we're all together and whatever. I don't know, but this is Brandon Blackwood, New York. This is a brand I hadn't heard of until I had seen Winnie open her gift. I'm so excited. I've not been in here. But honestly, Devin's choices for Autumn, Winnie and Yota couldn't have been better. So I'm very excited. Oh, look at that. Very Balenciaga. Some paperwork there. What does this say? Oh, that's very nice. Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new piece. I can't wait to see you style it. I'm holding it the wrong way around. Oh my gosh. I'm very, very excited. It feels lovely. Oh, Devin! You are such a naughty little sausage. Brandon Blackwood on the thing is a double-handled. Oh, how cute! It's absolutely my colour. It's like a mesh. Little top handle there. Little closure. How does that work? Does that go on the inside or the outside? Does it close like that? I don't know. I'm going to have to work it out. Oh, how adorable. This, oh, and it's got like a little zipper thing. Cheeky. Oh, how cute. Let's get this bit of stuffing out. Oh, it's got a little crossbody strap. Let's get this out of the packet. Oh, good. It's adjustable. Excellent. I'll put that on the longest strap. Okay, I'm going to get the packaging off this so we can have a proper look at it. How cute is this? Little mesh tiny toes. That's really adorable. I'm not sure what this is for other than to be cute and possibly a little bit cheeky. It's got Brandon Blackwood, New York there on the thing. The handles pretty much stay up. That's pretty good. So they don't fall down and you have to flop them over and pick them up. And it's got silver hardware on the buckles. Look at that. And it's got feet. What do we say about feet, people? Basic human right. Oh, look how shiny they are. And they came with these little things, covers, which are really quite substantial covers actually. Oh, Devin, you know me. You know I'm into my top handles at the moment. You know, this pink, it's not far off Miss McQueen. Please ignore all the mess down that side. You're not supposed to look at those shelves. You're not supposed to look at them at all. Devin, can't believe this arrived on Valentine's Day. You absolute love, you sweetie. I will of course link Devin's channel down below so you guys can go and check him out. He is probably one of the kindest, most selfless people I've met in life, let alone on YouTube. You know, it can be a strange place, this kind of luxury community, because let's face it, it's very materialistic. We're talking about very material things. But while Devin enjoys all of that stuff, he is about people first and foremost and loving people, and he has shown us so much love in the time that he's been part of the Gordy gang. We wouldn't be the Gordy gang without him. We were G-Way before Devin joined us. And yeah, he's just one of the nicest people. And Devin, I have told you off in private, and I'm telling you off in public now. stop buying us things. You need to save your money and come to London so we can go to the Ritz for afternoon tea. Oh, wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm going to take this to work, actually. When I take my tote, my big tote with my laptop and food and everything in it, I'm going to take this for all my little bits and pieces. And I'll take some pictures in the office. Ooh, please don't. There we go. It stands up really nicely. Shall I try it on? Now, I did say I was going to put it on the longest strap. It's long enough that I can still get in and out absolutely no problemo. That's made me all kind of flustered and giddy, and I don't really know what to say other than a massive thank you, Devin. You are an absolute love. And I hope the rest of you are all feeling the love, not just today, but every day. And until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please stay safe, be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, love everybody, and bye-bye.